Everything you need to know about Aqara's new light switch H2. The Aqara Light Switch H2 US stands out for its exceptional interoperability, offering robust support for Thread and Zigbee protocols. The Aqara Light Switch H2 US comes in 3 versions: WS-K02E, WS-K03E, and WS-K04E, each designed to North American standards. Its sleek design fits traditional wall plates, supporting single-pole and 3-way setups, with or without neutral wires. The Aqara Light Switch H2 US supports Thread and Zigbee protocols, offering flexibility in communication methods. Thread ensures matter compatibility, while Zigbee adds power monitoring, LED customization, and button decoupling for superior versatility. The H2 US switch's 2-in-1 neutral wire compatibility offers installation ease for DIY users, fitting modern and older homes. With a neutral wire, it provides overload protection and power monitoring. Without, it ensures essential smart switch functions without rewiring. 2 buttons, 1 channel supports single-pole and 3-way configurations, offering flexible lighting control from 2 locations. Each H2 US switch offers up to 4 configurable buttons for controlling smart home devices, such as unlocking doors and opening curtains. The Aqara Home app supports custom press modes for varied automation. Zigbee mode allows Aqara buttons to control smart lights without cutting power, solving a common issue in many smart lighting systems.
Go to GearBrain for more information.